Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best casein protein powders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the bulksupplements.com Casein Protein Powder. This unflavored gluten-free powder delivers a robust 30 grams of protein per serving, making it one of the highest protein-dense options on this list. Bulk Supplements focuses on providing a pure and versatile product that can seamlessly integrate into your lifestyle, whether you're an athlete or simply looking to meet your daily protein needs. With no added sugars or artificial flavors, this product is as clean as it gets. When it comes to design and build quality, the 1 kilogram resealable pouch is functional and convenient, keeping the powder fresh for longer durations. However, the lack of flavor options might make it less appealing to those who prefer sweeter protein shakes. The powder itself mixes relatively well, though you may find it slightly grainy compared to more refined options. In terms of performance, the slow-digesting Micellar casein helps keep you satiated while promoting overnight muscle recovery. It's a solid option for those following a strict diet or looking to avoid unnecessary additives. However, the absence of flavor and a somewhat chalky texture might be a drawback for people who enjoy more palatable shakes. If you're all about purity and high protein content, this is a great budget-friendly choice. Pros: high protein content, no added sugars, affordable. Cons: unflavored, grainy texture. Coming in at number 4 is the Nutricost Casein Protein Powder, a vanilla-flavored micellar casein that's gluten-free and non-GMO. With 25 grams of protein per serving, Nutricost offers a well-rounded product that caters to those who prefer a flavored option. The vanilla flavor is subtle and pleasant, making it a great choice for anyone who enjoys a touch of sweetness in their shakes. Design-wise, the 2-pound tub is compact and easy to store. The powder is fine and mixes well with water or milk, leaving minimal clumping behind. It's manufactured in a GMP-compliant, FDA-registered facility, which speaks to its quality and safety standards. The inclusion of non-GMO and gluten-free labeling adds an extra layer of confidence for health-conscious consumers. In terms of performance, Nutricost offers a solid protein solution for overnight recovery and between-meal hunger suppression. The taste and mixability are strong selling points, but the higher price per serving compared to bulkier options might be a consideration for those on a tight budget. Overall, Nutricost is an excellent choice for those seeking a balance between flavor and nutrition. Pros: great vanilla flavor, gluten-free and non-GMO. Cons: slightly pricier, smaller container size. At number 3, we have the Rule 1 Casein Protein, a standout product that offers 25 grams of protein and 11 grams of essential amino acids per serving. With its slow-digesting micellar casein formula, this protein powder is designed to support overnight muscle recovery and sustained amino acid delivery. The cookies and cream flavor is a fan favorite, providing a dessert-like experience without the guilt. The 4-pound container is ideal for those who go through protein powder quickly, and the high-quality packaging ensures freshness. The powder mixes well and delivers a smooth, creamy consistency when blended with milk. Rule 1 also boasts clean manufacturing practices, with the product being made in a GMP-certified facility and tested for banned substances. In terms of performance, this casein powder is perfect for nighttime use or long gaps between meals. The combination of flavor, texture, and nutritional content makes it a strong contender for anyone looking to enhance their recovery routine. However, it may be a bit pricey for casual users. Pros: delicious flavor, high amino acid content, large container. Cons: slightly expensive, may not appeal to those who dislike sweet flavors. Our runner-up is the Naked Casein, a 2-pound protein powder that prides itself on simplicity and quality. With only one ingredient, 100% micellar casein, this product is free of additives, GMOs, gluten, soy, and preservatives. Each serving provides 26 grams of protein and 5.4 grams of BCAAs, making it a powerhouse for muscle growth and recovery. The minimalist packaging reflects the product's clean ethos, The powder is unflavored, which allows for versatility in recipes, but might not be ideal for those who prefer pre-flavored shakes. It mixes decently well, though using a blender is recommended for the smoothest consistency. In terms of performance, naked casein is a top choice for purists who want maximum nutrition with no frills. Its cold-processed method ensures that the protein retains its nutritional integrity, while the price point is higher due to its premium sourcing and processing. The quality is undeniable. Pros: pure formula, high protein and BCAA content. Versatile. Cons: unflavored, higher price point. Finally, at number 1, we have the Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Micellar Casein Protein Powder in Chocolate Supreme. This iconic product has earned its top spot thanks to its impeccable quality, taste, and performance. With 24 grams of slow-digesting micellar casein and 9 grams of essential amino acids per serving, it's the ultimate choice for overnight muscle recovery. The 4-pound container offers 53 servings, making it a cost-effective option for regular users. The Chocolate Supreme flavor is rich and indulgent, mixing easily with water or milk for a smooth, satisfying shake. Optimum Nutrition has over 35 years of experience in performance nutrition, and it shows in the consistent quality of their products. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or someone new to supplements, this product delivers on all fronts. It's easy to mix, tastes great, and supports sustained protein release throughout the night. While it's not the cheapest option, the combination of flavor, nutrition, and reliability makes it worth the investment. Pros: excellent taste, high-quality protein, large container. Cons: slightly pricier, limited to chocolate flavor. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.